The way facilities operate has changed. The pressure hasn't. You're managing more assets, more data, and more risk, with less time, fewer people, and zero room for error. Most systems just track the work. They don't move it forward. That's where TMAi changes everything. Built inside WebTMA CMMS, TMAi brings real AI into real operations. Not as an add-on, but as an engine. It captures requests automatically, prioritizes work intelligently, schedules teams dynamically, and gives technicians instant answers right when they need them. So instead of reacting to problems, you stay ahead of them. Because when your data is connected, your workflow's automated, and your insights are in real time. You don't just manage maintenance. You reduce downtime, cut costs, extend asset life, and make faster, smarter decisions across every facility. This isn't AI layered on top of operations. This is intelligence built into the core of how you run them. TMAi, real AI, real operations. Request a demo to see what your operation looks like when everything finally connects.